I'm also right now going to look, or I'm looking at bringing in more course creators. That's where I need your help. If you're interested in creating a course, or if you know someone who wants to create courses and wants to teach, tell them about our academy. Because in the academy, what I have created is, when you go to our site learndataengineering.com and you click on the academy, there is a yellow bar that says become a course creator for our academy. And I added there as well a form where people can, people can like send in their email address and their name and tell me basically what courses am I interested in creating, and a bit about your level on this topic, if you've been teaching before, how you would like to contribute. Sometimes people already have a course, so if they have a course, they can bring it here if they can. Link to some video, link to the LinkedIn profile. They can propose a title and a summary, a description, how long the course should be, and the compensation and how long they need. Also some other comments. And this way I can actually get to people, and I can ask you, okay, what are you interested in? Okay, interested people can fill out the form, and I can get back to you. Like right now I'm talking to 5 new course creators who already filled out the form. Like, maybe we can bring in very, very quickly a lot of cool engineering courses, like we were talking about more about SQL database or relational databases. We were talking about Hadoop. We were talking about GCP, Docker. So these topics might come very, very soon, and I'm really, really working on that. So, as I said, if you know someone, we're paying for that, so it's we're taking care of. I think we're really fair, and for me, the main thing is that we bring more value, because I know the academy isn't cheap. I completely understand that. It's somehow we need to bring value to actually make it worthwhile. I think right now what you have in the academy is already worth the price, but I know people want more and more and more, and I want to make this bigger and bigger and even better value. So I want to bring in more course creators. I also want to do a few courses myself. One, I have the idea of creating a course, the data science language, a bit about what data scientists talk about, like machine learning and all these topics related to data scientists. I guess you need to work a lot with data scientists and understand actually what they want, how data scientist stuff works, how machine learning works. So that's something I'm currently thinking about, as well as a course on message queues, on Kafka Kinesis, and so on. So to show you what type of pipelines can you build, when do you use them. That's something I'm currently working on. As well as like the coaching every week.